Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to delve into an intriguing topic that has been making waves recently. Why don't most people have iPhones anymore? It's no secret that iPhones used to dominate the smartphone market, but things have certainly changed. So, let's dive in and explore the reasons behind this shift. Before we jump into the reasons, it's important to note that we're not here to bash or promote any particular brand. We're simply here to provide you with an objective analysis of the situation. So, without further ado, let's get started. One of the primary reasons why many people have moved away from iPhones is affordability. Let's face it, iPhones have always been associated with a premium price tag. While they do offer a seamless user experience and top-notch features, the cost can be a significant barrier for a lot of consumers. As a result, many individuals opt for more budget-friendly alternatives that still provide great functionality. Increasing competition. In recent years, the smartphone market has become fiercely competitive. Android-based devices, produced by companies like Samsung, Google, and Xiaomi, have made significant advancements. These competitors have been able to provide devices that rival or even surpass iPhones in terms of features, performance, and design. This increased competition has given consumers more options, making the choice between an iPhone and an Android device a matter of personal preference rather than an obvious decision. Customization and flexibility. While iPhones are known for their seamless user experience, some users desire more customization and flexibility. Android devices offer a wider range of options for customization, allowing users to personalize their devices according to their preferences. From choosing different launchers, widgets, and themes to installing third-party apps, Android offers a more open ecosystem that caters to diverse user needs. Another factor contributing to the decline in iPhone popularity is the perceived innovation gap. In recent years, critics argue that Apple has been focusing more on incremental updates rather than groundbreaking innovations. Some users feel that iPhones haven't brought enough revolutionary changes to justify the high price point. On the other hand, Android devices have introduced features such as foldable screens, high refresh rate displays, and advanced camera capabilities, which have grabbed the attention of tech enthusiasts. While Apple's ecosystem is undoubtedly impressive, it can also be a double-edged sword. Some users feel that once you enter the Apple ecosystem, it becomes difficult to switch to another platform without sacrificing the investments you've made in apps, services, and accessories. This lock-in effect, while intentional to keep customers loyal, can deter individuals who prefer the freedom to switch between different brands and platforms. Privacy and data concerns. In recent years, privacy and data security have become major concerns for smartphone users. Some individuals feel that Apple's emphasis on privacy, encryption, and data protection sets them apart from their competitors. However, it's worth mentioning that other companies, like Google, have also taken steps to enhance privacy features in their Android devices. Nonetheless, privacy-conscious users may still perceive iPhones as the safer option. Emerging market trends. Lastly, emerging market trends have played a significant role in the decline of iPhone popularity. With the rise of social media influencers and the increasing importance of camera quality, some Android devices have gained attention for their exceptional photography capabilities. Additionally, the gaming community has been drawn to Android devices due to their compatibility with a wider range of games and gaming accessories. So, there you have it. These are some of the key reasons why most people nowadays don't have iPhones. Remember, this isn't to say that iPhones are no longer great devices. It's just that the landscape of the smartphone market has evolved, and consumers now have more diverse options to choose from. That wraps up today's video. We hope you found it informative and insightful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Whatever you choose, good luck and have fun. As always, we'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Do you have an iPhone or an Android device? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.